Hello, my name is Mads, and I'm a student from Denmark. I studied on the Career Business School, and I'm here in Brighton for 3 weeks. I work on the BMICP Center in the reception, and I found the job very interesting, and it's quite funny, actually. So overall, I think it's a very good experience to be here in Brighton, because you learn a lot when you try to practice your English in an English-speaking country. And the people at the BMICP Center are very sweet people, and they help you a lot if you got troubles, and yeah, they are just very sweet, and they teach you very easily, so you can do your job so good as you can. Yeah, I will have very good memories from my time here in Brighton, because it's a very lovely city and everybody is so sweet, and you can just do a lot of different things when you're not at your workplace. For example, you can go to Brighton Pier and you can go on the beach if the weather is nice. You can also take a trip to London if you want, because it's not so far away from here. So yeah, very good memories.